Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with connecting a GoDaddy domain to actual Vercel. So the step number one is to add a domain into Vercel. If you wanted to, of course, you can start deploying with logging into Vercel, your actual dashboard. We can connect with GitHub. The process with GitHub actually is not that hard. So you wanted to do is just to connect really quick that element directly into your Vercel.com account with the GitHub element. Once you have now the Get reports tutorial here is going to be showing you here your website generated directly inside here. So I'm going to import my tech blog website directly inside here. So we have the new project and I hit for the option that says deploy. So here, once you have selected the project which you like to actually connect, what you wanted to do is to hit for the option that says the settings, so you can start deploying the actual custom domain. So basically here what you need to do is that directly into your settings you wanted to focus for a domains that you might be finding directly into the custom domain that you currently have. So once you hit now into imports and you hit now into deploy, it should be asking you if you wanted to add the www version as a redirect, or it is highly recommended to select add example.com and redirect to www.example.com. Right, this is just an example that we can just try it out directly inside here, but the project name here directly is now being correctly added, so we now have that element inside them. So let's say that I change this like this, and we're actually good to go. Now to configure the DNS into the GoDaddy, what you need to do now is to focus into my DNS elements. And here what I need to do is to focus with my product pages. When you focus into your account, go for my products, and directly inside here you wanted to focus with the domain which you like to connect. Once you navigate to the name server start, you wanted to click into the option that says change the name servers or focus into your domains, which should be appearing directly here into the left section of my domains. Directly inside here I wanted to focus for the option that says DNS. So choose that you would need to enter the Vercel's name servers usually provided into the Vercel dashboard. So here the NSI1 verceldns.com, you wanted of course to enter the name servers directly inside here. So here into my name servers we have, for example, the set and wait for the actual propagation. Usually I want to be changing the name servers. And here, as you can see, we have NS29. Usually the one that we're going to be looking for is ns1.vercel/dns.com, and the second one would be ns2.vercel/dns.com. So just save and wait for the actual propagation. Usually this takes around 30 minutes from 2 hours, I believe so. So there's a second option, which is the a record and the CNAME method. So if you prefer to keep your DNS management inside the GoDaddy, DNS management, look for the a record name that usually appears directly inside here for my DNS. And here what I need to do is to add a new register or just edit the one that says the a record name. So into the GoDaddy name here, I needed to find and generate the CNAME record. So if you don't find the CNAME, as you can see here it is. If you don't find it, you can just create one here and to add a new register. But here into the CNAME here, what I need to do is to find this and update the values here. I'm going to be changing this for CNAME or cname.vercel/pub.com. So just delete any other A or CNAME records that might conflict with these new ones, because we need of course to verify and secure our actual account. So just go back to the Vercel domain staff and click into refresh to see that your actual website has now been deployed. And once the records propagate, the status will change to a green valid confirmation. Vercel will automatically generate an SL certificate for you, so this might take a few minutes after the DNS is verified. So just a pro tip is that the conflict warning reminds you that GoDaddy Park records or all hosting A records having 2 A records for the ad name will cause the verification to fail. So make sure that here into your registers of the DNS you don't have elements that are duplicated, or let's say 2 versions out of it. So take that in mind, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What are some great tools how to get started with this great domains from GoDaddy and into Vercel. Thank you once again for watching, and well, hopefully we can see you guys next time.